Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new episode. Today I got me another 3-in-1 iPhone accessory so that I can charge all of my devices. Now, if you've been watching this channel, I've been doing a lot of these, mainly because, well, I have a lot of Apple accessories, and these right here come in super useful. I actually have one on my desk right here. As you can see, that one, that's sitting there as it's charging. And this one right here is brand new. It looks pretty unique with the whole exposed coil look to it. So anyway, interested in it. When this company reached out to me and asked if I want to take a look at this, I said, yeah, go ahead and send it to me. So anyway, I want to thank them for sending this to me and sponsoring this video. Companies keep coming out with more and more of these as they discover new ways to like make the charger more compact. I don't know if you've seen ones where it folds all together. Then there's these desktop one where, you know, it looks nice on your desk as you are charging them, right? So yeah, there's tons of different ones. Just depends on what you're looking for, like what your use case is, you know. So anyway, wow, this thing looks amazing. Look at that. That exposed copper wire looks fantastic, just like the picture. Then obviously on top of here you got your Apple Watch charger. Let me remove that little plastic. Yeah, so you know, funny thing is I have one of these like look-alike, except I have to provide my own Apple Watch charger, which is kind of weird, you know. I don't know how they're doing it. Look how thin this thing is. And they're able to integrate everything into this here and come out of the back here. Yeah, there's no exposed wire whatsoever at all. And obviously back here, you're looking at it. That's where you're going to charge your AirPod Pro or AirPods or whatever it is that you have that has wireless charging. It'll work on there. By the way, if you have the AirPod Gen 2, it will use the Apple Watch charger to charge as well. So just an FYI on that one, okay? If you have the Gen 2, it'll actually use all three. Apple Watch, the Magsafe on the iPhone, and also the just wireless charging back here. Yeah, even back here, look at the design on that thing. It's beautiful. And all of that comes in this thin package, which it just blows my mind. This is beautiful. Yeah, USB-C, which is in this box here. Let's take a look. Yeah, USB-C cord, nice, good quality. Feels like it's good quality USB-C cord. No. You know, whenever you use a Magsafe and it has that ring animation, that means that it's certified by Apple, by the way. All right, last but not least, the AirPod Pro right down here. Yep, charging over there. So notice one thing here, okay? This is an iPhone 14 Pro Max, and they designed this desktop stand to fit pretty much exact to the iPhone 14 Pro Max, because look, very minimal space in between here so that it looks amazing. Okay, now let's talk about the design on the Magsafe that they've done on here real quick. So you see how the circle is extruded out of the base right there? To me, that's how all desktop chargers should be designed. The reason why is when you have a case like this, you see how the camera bump right here, even with a case, the camera bump extruded out and there's not much room here at all. And some of the desktop charger out there, when they don't make the little Magsafe extrude out of the base, it gets in the way of the camera. And what happens is that if it gets in the way of the camera, let's just an example like this. You see how there's a gap in between the Magsafe? And that's something that you don't want right there. This is a good design. They know what they're doing for sure, because you know this base is a square base, right? But in order to solve that problem, now they extrude the little Magsafe out just a bit so that it doesn't hit my camera bump on the case or even without the case. So you get a good contact right there. Yeah, this is that's an important one right there, guys. This is just beautiful. I totally loving that. I'm loving the design on this overall. I wish that all desktop charger looks like this. I'm probably going to replace this with the one I currently have, just because it looks so good on the desk. I mean, look at this thing. It's very classy, guys. Anyway, guys, that's it for me right there. That's first impression, first look on this 3-in-1 Apple charger. If you have all 3 devices, it's nice to get a 3-in-1 like this. Honestly, if you don't have 3 devices, just go ahead and get the 3-in-1 charger anyway. Mainly because you know you're going to get that third one. So whatever it is that you're missing, the whole ecosystem is just great. And now with a charger like this, I feel like it's all integrated in there. Yeah, so I can't get enough of these 3-in-1 charger. I keep saying yes to them, and they keep improving them year after year on these. I love it. I totally love it. I love the 2023. You can go out there and you can get something like this, and it just looks beautiful on your desk. Anyway, I'm just ranting now. So you guys have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Wait just one moment here, guys. I just discovered something brand new here, which you guys probably saw it already, but I actually didn't. I thought it was just reflection, lights, that kind of stuff. But if you look on here, it's actually glowing. There's a LED inside of it. Can you see that? There's actually a light, a ring of light around this. That just pushed this thing up to the most coolest tech that I have seen in a 3-in-1 here. This is amazing. Look at this. Can you see the light? I didn't know that until I had tried to set it down on my desk and turn off all the lights, and suddenly this thing glows. It's beautiful.